So this is the vintage Coach Abbie Zip, style number 9017. This bag was made in the US in 1997 and it's in the color Mahogany brown. So this is a smaller crossbody bag. As you can see, it's got a crossbody strap. The strap is attached directly onto the sides of the bag, as you can see, and it's got a two-sided hang tag. So the hang tag says Coach on both sides. So here's what the front looks like. It's got a small slip pocket on the front of the bag, and the creed is located inside that front pocket. So here's a close-up photo so you can see it. Here's the sides again, and here's what the top looks like. It's got a top zip closure, and here's what the bottom looks like. It's got the split seam across the bottom, and then the back is just smooth leather. So this is a great bag if you want something that will be comfortable to wear as a crossbody and that won't likely be too heavy because of its smaller size. So it'd be good for something small and not too heavy on your shoulder. So that is the Abbie Zip bag, and she is available now in our online store. So if you wanted to look at this bag further, the link will be below in the description box, as well as all the information that I mentioned about this bag, and also links to our social media are down there, as well as a link to sign up for our email list if you'd like to stay updated with what's going on with our shop. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.